I have exactly 30 days to finish up 10 paintings for an upcoming gallery group show, and my studio space is a disaster. After my starting over video went a bit viral, everyone asked what my day-to-day life actually looks like. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of the chaos, the beautiful messy middle, and the pressure of being a professional artist at 68. If you're a late bloomer or a fellow artist like me trying to figure out your own starting over story, I'd love to have you join this community. Hit subscribe so we can navigate the creative chaos together. If you've seen my earlier videos, you may know that I work from my home, an 1,100 square foot condo in downtown Toronto. I've been a professional artist coming up on 30 years now, and I've always had a home studio. It's just always been more convenient for me, especially as my son was growing up, and I love the fact that I have no commute time. This is what my home studio looks like today. With the group show coming up and keeping up with everything else that goes on with life, it's a bit of a hot mess. Full disclosure here, I had my phone set up to record yesterday. I wanted to show my painting process, starting these two 24 by 24 canvases, but I totally forgot to hit the record button. And you know what? I loved it. I loved that I got totally into the flow of painting, not thinking about anything, just painting. I'm currently obsessing over the spring-inspired color palette. I spent a couple of days last week going through my color folders. These are just file folders where I keep magazine pages. I've done this for years, and maybe this was how I justified my magazine addiction. Some of these pages are 20 years old. I created a small mood board that will help me stick to this color palette of spring greens and soft warm neutrals. Speaking of neutrals, for the past few years, my work at this gallery has been in a black and white neutral color palette. I'm both a little excited and scared about showing this new series of work. But this color palette has been calling to me for a while now. The painting I was working on in a couple of previous videos was the start of this new series for me. It's the painting image I used for my starting over video. So with 30 days to go and 10 paintings to finish, the messy middle is officially here. I'm nervous about moving away from my signature black and white and neutral color palette, but I truly believe that as artists, we have to follow the light wherever it leads us next. I'll be sharing more of this spring series as the deadline gets closer. So if you want to see if I actually make it to the finish line, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps a small channel like mine more than you know. Before I head back to the easel, I have a question for you. Have you ever taken a big risk in your work or your life that felt a little scary, but you knew it was time for a change? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments. I'll be reading them while my paint dries tonight. Thanks for being part of this journey with me. I'll see you in the next one.